Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a Amazon haul for you. So I wanted to share some fun things that I had found on Amazon, and let's get started. So the first thing that I want to share is this super cute die set that I found by Love Nicole, and it's an embossing die. And I just thought that this was so cute for summer. It has like the little ticket to the fair and the carousel and the Ferris wheel. So there's that. Then I did a project share today where I shared some flowers that I had made using this punch. This is the EK Tools. Does it say what this is? It's called Retro Flower, and it's numbered 54-20077. I had made some flowers for a swap that I was doing with this, and they turned out so cute. So wanted to share that. I really need to get some more flower punches because it was so much fun and so easy doing that. And then I got a couple more dies. I found this cherry die. It makes a cherry shaker, so I thought that would be fun. And then I found this cute little swan by X-Cut. They're called Dinky dies, and I thought that would be really pretty for Maggie Holmes projects. Then this is from KS Craft. I think I might have to open it because it's a little like food cart or candy stand, I guess you would call it, but you can't see it because of the picture. So let me take it out. So here's what that looks like. And I got a big thing to show you, so I gotta pull it out. I got this craft plastic to make shakers with, and I've already used it, and I'll show you the shakers that I made. But I was looking for something that was easier to use than the Cricut acetate, because that's what I was using, and let me tell you, that is really hard to cut with the die cutting machine. I think it's definitely meant for the Cricut machine, so I got that, and then I'll show you something else, and then I'll show you the shakers. I also got these polymer clay slices, and I thought these were a really good deal. They were $9.99. They come in their own little case. And the reason why I thought these were a good deal was because I was looking at other websites, you know, Etsy, Ally, different places. And these are usually like $2 or $1.85 or something like that for each one. And so I thought that, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So that would have been like 14 bucks if they're like $2 each, not counting the container. So to get all of this for $9.99, I thought was a really good deal. And it's got lots of cute little, it's got apples, watermelons, strawberries, grapes, kiwis, dragon fruit, and lemons. I got it mainly for the watermelon, strawberries, and lemons. And I'll show you what I made using the strawberries. So I made this cute little strawberry shaker, and I used the craft plastic. You can see I put like the little strawberry slices in there. So there's that. And then I also made a little dolphin. I made a bunch of these dolphins because I got a summer project, and I also used these for a mermaid project. Then I got some vellum paper, which I didn't have any. So I got some of that, and I wanted some velvet ribbon. I wanted pink. So I got a bag that had 2 of them, and you get a lot in here. Look at that. So the velvet is not on both sides, it's only on one side. And it also came with a red one, which I feel like this was like $10 for both of these, which I thought was a good deal. And look how much you get. Does it say how long these are? 2 rolls, Valentine's, red, pink, but it doesn't tell you how many yards it is. So I got that, and then I also got, I thought that was interesting that Recollections was on Amazon, but I guess everything's on Amazon. I wanted some photo corners, so I got those, 2 of those, and there's 210 in each package. I got a couple of dies. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to open these again because the sticker that Chaos Craft puts on here, they always cover it up. So it's a bowl, it's like a mixing bowl, and it's like cookies and spatulas and stuff. I'll take it out. So you can make a, I think you can make a shaker with this, yeah. So look how cute is that? What does that say? Something, I don't know what it says. But look how cute. It's got the cookies, it's got the spatula. I don't know. I just thought that was super duper cute. So got that. And I also got this one from KS Craft on Amazon. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. So it's a little donut journal, which I thought was adorable. So it's got all the little sprinkles and stuff, and got the hole so you can make your journal. I thought that was so adorable. It's got the frosting. So there's that one. And I also got this powder tool by EK Tools. So it deactivates adhesive on stickers. So I thought that would be nice if like you're layering things and you want to use stickers to layer with, but you don't want to, you know, deal with the adhesive. You could just use this powder tool to get rid of the adhesive. And then finally, I got these pens. I've seen a lot of people receiving these as gifts in their swaps or sending them out. I swear I've seen like 5 or 6 people over the last week have either they've received these or they've hauled these or what have you. So I thought I got to jump on the bandwagon and pick them up. So they're pens that you can put beads on and just decorate them and make them pretty for your friends. So let me pull one out and I'll show you. I'm pulling them all out so you can see the colors. So there you go. So you can just put beads on them, and then it has like a screw in where you just screw it in, and there you go. The only thing I'm noticing is, where's the ink? Was I supposed to order like a second piece? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look at it because like, where's the ink at? Like, what the heck? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up and see what I did wrong. But anyway, thought those were really cute. I might have to order some ink to go in the middle. We shall see. If that's the case, I'll show you in a future haul what came of that. Okay, well that is my haul from Amazon. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you will give this video a like if you liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.